Most anglers see a boulder or a set of rocks in a river and assume that the trout or salmon are lying behind the structure out of the current. What many do not realize is that often fish will hold in front of a boulder in a zone referred to as the hydro cushion or pillow. The current will frequently create a small area where fish can easily hold and continue to hunt for food. Wise anglers understand this and will always swing a fly either on top or below the surface in front of this type of structure.
There's a take. Oh, nice. I think it's a trout. Yeah. Awesome.
As this video clearly shows, some very big fish will take advantage of the hydro cushion to easily hold in fast current.